Hey guys! Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be me exposing my plates from the previous sems. So, I'm currently a second year ARKI student in UP Diliman and it's been stressful. Okay, so I think you guys have seen naman my video. Hopefully, my day in the life as an ARKI student. I'll be putting a card above here if you guys wanna watch it. So, ayan, gumawa ka ng plate ng day na yon. And that was for my design class. And today, I will be showing you guys some of the plates I did from my, usually or mostly, ito yung mga plates na ginawa ko nung first sem and second sem last year. Please like and subscribe and hit that bell button to be notified whenever I post a new video. That's it, and let's get started. So, uusog lang ako para makita nyo. I-insert ko yung mga pictures dito. I think this was the second half of first sem for my design class. So, we were asked to make a chair. Diba? Bakit chair? Sa lahat-lahat na papagawa mo sa akin, bakit chair? Pero yun nga, may partner ako sa plate na to. Shout out kay Alexi. Okay, so anyway, we made this chair. So parang yung goal niya is to be an ergonomic chair that where people can sit and relax sa building, sa ARKI. And yung place kasi sa ARKI na yun was wala masyadong chairs and benches lang yun nandun. So medyo masakit sa likod or something. So yun, naisip namin parang may backrest, tapos medyo mas may space for seating. So ginawa namin parang love seat. Actually, yung idea namin dito was like dapat 3-seater. Pero ayun nga, kasi kita nyo naman sa picture, as in, super packed siya. Ayan, cardboard yan. Half recycled, half not. Kasi nga, kinulang kami. Like, ang dami ko nang nakukuwang cardboard sa junk shop. Kahit dito sa bahay, inubos ko na lahat ng balikbayan box namin. Pero hindi pa rin siya nagkasya. So, mostly yun nga, medyo magastos kasi ang mahal ng balikbayan box. And, ayun. So, if makikita nyo, may hole pa siya sa ilalim. Kasi gusto namin parang yung cats dun pupunta. Kasi ang daming cats sa ARKI. Tapos, kailangan din kasi daw na may plant. So, yan. Naglagay kami ng plant holder. Ayun. So, medyo stressful yan. Actually, hindi ko na sasabihin medyo. Stressful talaga siya. Kasi nakakapagod magdikit at magdikit. As in like yung damit ko punong-puno ng glue. My second plate naman for design class din. Kasi mostly lahat talaga ng major plate nasa design class namin. And ito, this is a folly. So a folly is a structure where its purpose is to serve just for aesthetics. Parang ganun. It's not really useful. Yun. So, yun nga yung task namin, and what I thought of was an hourglass. Hindi ko na maalala yung concept ko dito. Pero basta naging the most stressful for me, I think, siguro, it was the stairs. Because I never made models with stairs. Nga kasi first time ko. And circular pa yung steps na ginawa ko. So, ayan. Part 2 plate. Medyo hindi ko rin na gusto. As in like, I think lahat naman ng plates ko, meron akong parang hatred. Parang may slight regret na I think I could have done better or something. Pero, okay, so this plate is more of like teaching us how to use the markers and concept making. So, parang pinagawa kami ng concept, like a random concept and turn it to a structure. So, yung sa akin, nag-inspiration ko, s'mores. I don't know why, but ako napunta sa s'mores. And then, if you can see, merong mga circles sa taas. Parang yun yung morphology ng design. So, how it came to that figure. Yung last na lang for the first sem is itong final plate ko for my design class plate. So, eto naman, binigyan kami ng lot sa ARKI. Tapos, dapat maging dapat maging sanctuary siya for us. Like, as an individual, parang how would you picture your sanctuary? So, hindi naman siya parang anong tawag doon? Yung mga nasa cemetery, hindi naman ganon. Basta parang a place where you can relax. Yung idea ko dito was to make an observatory. Wow, witty, no? Okay, so yung idea ko lang dito kasi, I never experienced like stargazing or like just looking at the stars outside and you're lying down. I never experienced that. And I wanted to experience that. And I think yun yung nag-manifest dito sa design na to. And gustong-gusto ko yung parang may entryway ka muna bago ka makapasok sa isang building. So, ang ginawa ko is parang meron akong pathway entering the structure and minimik ko siya dun sa panels dun sa likod. So, parang kung ano yung panel sa harap, dun yung panel sa likod. So, yan yung parang wood structure sa gilid. Tapos, sa gitna, parang merong pond or something. Basta may something about water na where you can walk above it. So, yun yung idea ko. Yun, ito yung cute na plate na ginawa namin. Pero, you know, I work smart, not hard. Okay? Tip lang yon. Maybe as an ARKI student or maybe in general, you have to work smart and not hard. Like, most of my plates, like, usually mga manual drafting or like, mga kaya kong i-digital. So, ang ginagawa ko, piniprint ko siya. Tapos, saka ko siya i-trace. As in, ganun yung ginagawa ko. Kasi, you know, you gotta think better. Parang you can lay it out as a non-good drawer. I think that's the essential skill to have. So, itong plate na to, I made a Colosseum, yung sa Rome. So, madali lang tong sa akin. Like, I made it during the class, tapos siguro after lunch tapos na ako kasi nga konti lang yung pieces na na-cut ko and konti lang yung i-assemble ko. Unlike yung mga napili ng other classmates ko. I don't know if they had the idea that this was parang pwede pala to. Pero inalaw kasi ako eh. I asked, tapos she said, okay, sige. I was like, okay. And it was fun kasi nga curved pa to, so medyo mahirap pa yung curve. Pero I think kahit naman gawin ko yung mga Notre Dame or yung other, para mga churches yata yun, I think fun naman siya gawin. Like, you can do it by yourself even if you're not an ARKI and you love doing these kinds of stuff or you're interested in it. Anyway, moving on. Okay, so the next one, we made a contour model. Actually, puro mga ano to eh. Mga basic skills, I think. Yeah, basta we made a contour model out of cardboard and foam board. So wala, this was fun din naman, but also you just have to be precise with your measurements kasi they give you like a contour map. Ang akala ko like, as in like before ARKI, like hindi ko siya naisip na kailangan palang maisip mo. Sorry for my chipped nails if you can see it. Okay. Anyway, kailangan palang maisip na you have to build in a structure that it's not in a flat lot, something like that. So, ayun, meron mga contour talaga na sobrang complicated and you really have to work with it. So, that's the lesson it gave me. Another contour model na I loved, like, this was the cleanest model I've ever done. Like, swear, as in, this was another contour model but in a bigger scale. Tapos, meron ding mga structure na nakalagay dun. And, ang ginawa ko dyan, as in yung technique namin dyan lahat, was to make a printable contour map. So, piprint namin yun, and what we'll do is we'll shade the lines. And then, imo-mark namin yun dun sa foam board. Kaya namin na-follow yung contour nung mismong structure. The technique I also got from my other classmates is to use sandpaper para mas smoothen yung edges. Lalo na if foam board yung gamit mo kasi nga styro yon. And diba, usually pag styro, sobrang merong weird na ewan. So if nagkaroon ng ganun, pwede mo lang i-sandpaper, tapos mag-smoothen na siya. And it looks really good. So, that's it. Also, I loved my trees here. As in, super cute ng mga trees ko. Last na, this was my plate sa design class ko rin for the second sem naman. So we were asked to make a house for 4 people. And it's located sa slopes of Arayat. Yeah, imagine that. Imagine the slopes. So if you can see, I'll put a picture here. Pati yung model ko. Basta I'll just flash random pictures para makita niyo yung view and ano yung ginawa ko. So ayun nga, we had to make a house. And sobrang laki ng lot. As in, sobrang ma-maximize mo. The thing I regret about this was I should have made it multi-story. Multi-story is like, steps lang yung difference niya, but not like yung mga 2 floors, ganun. So, yun yung regret ko kasi nga, mas maganda na finalo ko yung slopes until the back or something. Kasi nga, maganda yung slopes nito for that kind of houses. Yun. Yun lang naman. So, yun nga, parang yung essence ng pag-design ko dito was, it was fun, not because I was designing a house, like, not the exterior or the interior, but it was fun because you have to really think about the client or the user of the space. Kasi, dun talaga nag-vary yung concepts or yung designs per person. Kasi when you focus on something, tapos yung isa that focus on another thing, dun magre-reflect talaga kung paano mo isa-structure, i-layout yung design mo. Tsaka dito, iniisip din namin yung mga connections between rooms, kung bakit dapat magkatabi sila, bakit sila dapat accessible to this, ganyan. Ayun kasi may grandma pa na isa sa mga user ng house na to. So I had to make sure na yung ground floor was, meron siyang room doon. Wait, papakita yung floor plan. So ayun, if you can see like the left most, that's the room for the grandma. And then silang animal companion, so I had to make like a small space where the bed of the animal. Tapos yung grandma para daw naka-walker siya. So I had to make sure that the walker fits the stairs. Like yung, diba yung rise is like this, tas yung run ng stairs, dapat malapad yun para kasya yung walker niya. And it's not gonna be difficult for her to move around the space. Like, even with no assistance, she can move around. So, ang mga spaces ko dito, may living room, may usual, may patio, may swimming pool, tapos may dining area, kitchen, pantry, laundry, tapos yung room, tapos powder room, tapos stairs. Second floor naman, tapos merong balcony for the other user. So this is the daughter. So meron siyang walk-in closet, bathroom. Tapos beside that was the office. And yan yung office for the parents kasi parang basta yung binigay sa amin na details about the users that they work. So parang siguro at least meron silang office at home. And then, ayun, meron silang malaking master bedroom. As in, laki nito ah. And then, merong maliit na couch din. And also, a balcony and walk-in closet and a CR. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed me ranting about my plates and how I can properly make them. I think naman I learned something so far. I hope. And this online class, I think I'm learning pa rin naman kahit konti. Pero the most difficult class for me is design. Like, we really need to meet. Kasi yun talaga lahat ng napag-aralan mo sa ibang mga ARKI classes namin. It all merges together and it's thrown in that subject. I think I learned some things naman so far. Second year pa lang naman ako, malayo pa yung thesis. But I think yung pinakamahirap lang talaga ng online class is yung design class. Design class kasi nga, it's really easier to meet personally and get critiqued personally because it's really hard. And also, pag kasi you're in the class, you're in the lab, you get to like, what do you call that? Parang you get tips from your classmates as well if you have to ask for something. Like, they give inputs, you give them inputs. And like, that develops your design better. And I just missed that. So, yun nga, that is the end of this video. Please like and subscribe and comment down below if you have any video suggestions. That's it, and thank you for watching.